Fine-tuning a large language model becomes quite easy with the tools like Gradient. If you don't know what Gradient is, I have done a lot of videos on Gradient and how to fine-tune large language models on your own dataset with the help of Gradient. So please search the channel and you will find them. In this video, I'm going to show you a new innovation or new feature from Gradient, which I believe will be the beginning of a new era in terms of generative AI and how it is delivered. You normally would expect these sort of features from the public cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, but this time these new companies, the startups, have started to bring out these cool features. And the feature which I'm talking about is this, where Gradient has released the Gradient AI Cloud platform for healthcare and also for finance. So the idea behind this is that Gradient has their own proprietary large language model, which they have trained on custom data set of healthcare and also operational healthcare data, and they have created a cloud around it. So if you want to have your own large language model tuned on your own custom data, then you can simply use this Gradient AI cloud, use their already trained data, and then use it on your own data. So this LLM, which already has domain knowledge of healthcare sector, can be really beneficial on your own custom data because it would understand and then it would be able to give high quality answers to your queries or any natural language processing task. And similar is the case with the financial sector. Now, the way this is working is also quite cool. So what happens is that um, their LLM, which is already in the market, has extensively been trained on medical information such as clinical data, medical textbook, and journals, and it has passed all three steps of USMLE, which is huge. Also, on top of this expertise, Gradient's LLM have a deep understanding of healthcare administration and operations. They have been trained on health records, billing data, claims data, and also a lot of other things. And as is the case with the other large language models, they have advanced logical reasoning because they have been trained on these best practices, so they provide you high accuracy and also they prevent hallucination. For this, again, they utilize mixture of experts and retrieval augmented generation along with other technologies. And their proprietary model is called as Nightingale. And this is one of the best performing commercial healthcare AI model out there. Similar to this healthcare, they have also this Gradient AI Cloud for financial services, which does the same thing. And it is also SOC 2 compliant. Plus, it also has passed the CFA and CPA exams with flying colors. Also, I forgot to mention their healthcare AI cloud platform is HIPAA compliant. So you don't have to worry about compliance, which is normally the case in both financial sectors and also in the healthcare sector. So not only you are getting a tailor made large language model, but you are also getting a compliant model on your own private data with all the security guardrails in place. And it is quite easy to use with APIs and stuff, as I have shown in my other videos. So if you are in healthcare or finance and looking for an LLM in an easy way, I would highly suggest that you give a look to Gradient. And I'm not affiliated to Gradient in any way. On a related note, I believe that this might be the future where a lot of startups and other providers will be creating LLMs in verticals and industry specific areas, and you would be able to use it on your own custom data. And it is really interesting that the public cloud providers are lagging behind in this. I hope that you found it interesting. If you are already using it, please share your experience. And if you have any other thoughts or questions, please feel free to share it in the comments. And again, if you want to see how Gradient works, how APIs work, please search the channel and you will find a lot of videos around Gradient where I have gone step by step to show you how to install it, the Gradient SDK, and then how to use it in your Python code. So that's it, guys. If you like the content, please also consider subscribing to the channel as it helps. Thank you very much.